Hi everyone. The topic I am going to speak on today is some common words or phrases used in day to day English. I chose these words because they are from the foreign origin, mostly from Latin and French. So they have little different pronunciation but very commonly used in everyday language. So let's start. My first word is alakart. It is written alakarte, but its right pronunciation is alakart. Alakart is a list of dish items or food items given in the menu of any restaurant. There are also some deals, but in deal we have a lump sum price for the whole deal, but sometimes we want to select items separately. So these separate items with their prices are called a la carte. The next word that I am going to speak on or telling you, that is rəʻvwɑ. Rəʻvwɑ is a word that means goodbye. Normally we say goodbye, but those of you who are fond of watching movies, so sometimes in certain situations some native speakers use or prefer to use this thing. So instead of saying goodbye, they say rəʻvwɑ, means goodbye until we meet again. Let us use it in sentence. For example, you are parting with your friend and you are expecting to meet them after a long time. So you say, rəʻvwɑ friend, see you again next year. Means goodbye my friend until we meet next year. The next word is coup d'etat. It is written as it is coup and deɪʻtɑ, but its right pronunciation is coup d'etat. And for short, it is used coup. Very commonly used in newspapers or day-to-day language, people simply for short use it coup. So the full word is coup d'etat, but for short it is used coup. And what is the meaning of coup? A sudden violent change of government that is considered illegal. People revolt and they think the incumbent government is illegal, so they try to overthrow it. So this process through the violence that is achieved, we call it coup or coup d'etat. The next word that I am going to mention here is root. It is written en route, but its pronunciation is root. Root and also root. Both the meaning or both the pronunciations are correct. The meaning of root is on the way. You are going somewhere and in the middle of that journey or travel, you stop somewhere and you do something and you say, I was going to such and such place, but on the way I stopped at this and that place. So on the way here can be replaced root. Let us understand it through the example I have written on the board. We stopped for picnic. Actually we were going to London, but we stopped for picnic. Our route to London means we were going to London, but on the way we stopped for picnic. So en route. The next word is related to reading and writing. Those of you who are bookworms must have come across this word at the beginning or at the end of the books. So the word is erratum. Its pronunciation is erratum. What is erratum? An error in printing or writing. Sometimes books are published. Even after proofreading, some mistakes are left. So to bring that thing to the notice of the readers, list is given in the beginning or at the end of the book. So these mistakes are technically called erratum, or let us understand it in a phrase like a list of erratum. Means no doubt we proofread this book many times, but still some mistakes are left. So we have given a list of erratum at the end of the book. Or an erratum slip. This is also a very common phrase used in the world of writing and books. That is, an erratum slip is an inserted piece of paper in a book to indicate errors or misprints. Sometimes a slip is given. If the mistakes are fewer, so extra slip is printed with the mistakes that are made in the book. So that is called an erratum slip. I hope you enjoyed this short lecture. This is part 1, and even in future I will be selecting these strange type of words that are mostly I found people mispronouncing or not pronouncing correctly. Till my next lecture, bye bye.